Good afternoon, YouTube. This is Kaylin String coming at you with a weather update. I just pulled up the windy site, windy.com, and this is the first map. This is their surface wind, and you can see this area in red. Oop, I don't want that. There we go, drop that. But this area here in red oops, I dropped that back down. Oops. Is the highest wind. And as you can see, if I can get this to focus, right here I'm blowing this up. This is what is hitting the central part of the US right now. And it looks like it comes down and then it comes up. See these? This is the wind flow right here, these lines that you see moving. There we go, now it's focused. See, that's Dodge City, Kansas. Grand Island, Nebraska. So then if I move this, it is headed for my area. It is also, if I push this up, Amarillo, Texas, Oklahoma City, there's Enid, there's Wichita, Kansas. I'm going to pull this back down. So this is, it's already starting to flow up. See, it's down here, but then it's hooking up. So later this afternoon, it's going to get crazy. See this dark purple spot? That is the strongest wind. So here it is forecast that it can reach hurricane force. Just like the derecho that smacked Iowa and a couple other states last year. When I listened to the radio this morning on a couple of different stations, they're saying that after this main wind area comes through, we could have some strong storms that could possibly pop off some tornadoes. And they even mentioned prepare for power outages. And one even said, charge your phones. But I would say, get your generators ready. Get your power stations ready. Charge up all of your power banks. Especially anyone who is in the path of this. Get ready for power outages. So I will be doing that. I will make sure that all of my power banks are charged. I will plug my phones in later. My power stations, the two little ones that I have, they're charged up. My rechargeable lanterns are charged up. You know, I have several of the O-light, O-lanterns, and I have several of the O-bulbs. Those are all charged up and ready to go. And if your power does go out, make sure that you have a means to cook food if you have an electric stove. you won't be able to use it. So have your camp stoves ready. If you have the ability to burn wood, get that prepared. And keep monitoring the weather, because this could be a nasty one. Anyway, I just thought I'd get this up here for you. So this is mainly for those in the path of this. I don't know how far it could go once it gets up here through Iowa. It could go up into Minnesota and on over into Wisconsin and Michigan. But this is as it is now. This is going to be a nasty one. So for those who think that tornadoes cannot happen in the colder months, Friday proved you wrong. And it is possible that more could come out of this. I'm going to zoom back out so you can get the full picture of how big this thing is. And this is Texas down here. And the top end of it is up here in Kansas City and Bismarck. There are some even high winds approaching Bismarck and Fargo. So it's getting into the Dakotas. Anyway, I just thought I'd get this out there for you, give you a heads up. Something big is coming. So it's a good thing I got all my food shopping done. So I am prepared. So thanks for watching, and catch you on the flip side.